setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD. So firstly, let's just clarify, this is in a strong upward trend, and what we're looking for is areas of support to buy into so we can continue moving with the trend. Simple as that. If you look at the 8 hour, anybody tells you that's not in an upward trend is obviously blind. Okay, that is in a solid upward trend. It is moving up, and it's simple as that. We're looking for areas of support to buy off. Coming down to the hour, this is my closest area of support right now, and I've got two levels drawn in, so it's 112709 and 112568. So I'm looking for price to come back into this area, start making higher lows like it's doing now, for a move to the upside. Okay, not during the Asian session, waiting for the European session. So as soon as London opens, we'll be looking to see what transpires here, but that is definitely an opportunity for me to get a trade in. The other thing I just want to point out, I'm just going to come to the weekly here. You can see we're at an area, major area of, let's just call that was support there, and then it flipped into resistance, and now we're above it again. So if that area holds, you've got some sizable targets coming up. Just fine tune that to there. I think that would pretty much be the next area right there, which is 114347. Okay, so I am looking for longs on this thing. Just get to the hour. Wait to see what transpires at the European Open, but definitely looking in this area. Okay, somewhere around 112570, somewhere in that area. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen, exactly the same scenario. Come to the 8 hour, we have flipped. We had this rounding bottom, inverse head and shoulders. That target has been realized, so I'll be looking for an area of support. If you look to the left, you can see major levels that we've broken through. Those levels are drawn in right now, and we are waiting for price to come back onto those areas. Now, just on the hour, again, you can see we are in an upward trend. You should not be selling in an upward trend. You should be buying. What are we looking for? We're looking for this first area here, which is 109310. And then inside here, there are quite a number of micro levels, and there's one which kind of sits almost in between the two levels right there, which is 109198, and then further down you're looking at 109058. Okay, so any price action back into this area during the London Open, and then we start forming buying opportunities, and I'll probably look at that on the 30 or 15 minute charts. It will give me an entry and then a fairly tight stop based on the time frame that we're paying attention to. The next US dollar pair is the Aussie dollar. Okay, so we're starting off from the daily. If I look to the left, you can see all this congestion. Okay, I think the important thing at the moment is, let's just delete those two levels there. This area here is the one that you want to pay attention to right here. You can see support, resistance, 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 resistance. Okay, so that is an area that we have broken above. We've got a daily close above it. Okay, so that's 069260. I would expect us to continue up to the next level. Okay, and that's somewhere in that area up there. Let's get the 8 hour quick. Okay, you can see there, not exact, but somewhere in this area is the next area of resistance. Okay, looking at the 8 hour, it does look like it's a bit of a sort of a bit of a flag forming, but even if it does break to the downside, it's going to find support not too far and then move up. Okay, same scenario here, guys. Trend is up. There's no reason to be trying to find shorts on this market. What you should be doing is looking at your hour and looking for opportunities to buy. So the first opportunity to buy is in this area right here. You can see these tails bouncing off it, and that is 069572. Okay, if that fails, I think I'll sit on hands, because then it basically means we're probably going to have a deeper pullback, and then we'll just wait for structure to see where that pullback is to. But that's pretty much the area we're looking at. And the other reason why I say I would more than likely sit on hands is you could see low, higher low, higher low, and now we've got this double bottom here, or we've got a double top. So it's gone into a range. Okay, so the other thing to do is if it does break above here, then you're going to wait for a retest of 0.70 basically. And if retest of 0.70, that's going to give us an opportunity to be long as well. So that's pretty much on the dollar pairs. The other one that I picked up this morning is Swiss franc, Japanese yen. We are at a major area here. So this 114314 is a major area of resistance, and we have bounced off it. We've got 3 8-hour candles below that, but there are buyers stepping in. So if we come down to the hour, and so I just want to see the price action, you can see we are buying off this area here. You can see it was resistance there. It's now support again. Okay, and there's a lot going on further down. So you can, I'm not going to draw all of them in. I'll draw 2 of them in. You need to pay attention to it. So you can see there's an area of resistance and support. There's an area of resistance and 2 supports as well. If you just do that like that. Okay, so what does that mean? So the first area is 113653. Deeper pullback, you're looking at 113323 or 113145. Another area to get long. And then what I would expect is another attack at 114314. At the major level, so I wouldn't expect us to break through straight away. So it will come back, it'll be a take profit area. The beauty about that, the trade from where we are now is going to give you a one-to-one trade because your stop's going to be below the swing low here at 113145, and you'll be looking for this area again. Take profit. If it drops further, then you are looking at a 2-to-1, possibly a 3-to-1 trade because your stop area is still going to be the same. Okay, so that is Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and the other little one is the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc as well. And what's interesting me about this pair is you can see this area of support, and then it was resistance here. We've broken through it. Okay, so the next major level is all the way up here at 072466. So if you come down to the hour, what I'm looking for is some kind of support. And you can see it's forming higher lows at the moment as well. So same scenario, this thing is moving up. It's in an upward trend. There's no reason to be looking for anything else. Pull back into 071345 would be nice. I think that would be ideal in actual fact. But we'll have to wait and see what happens at the European Open. But that would be an area that would interest me in buying. Okay, so if I can get a pullback into 071345, a buying opportunity, your stop is going to be somewhere around 0709. 0709 would be your stop area, and that would give you a target right up here at 072466. So if we do pull back into this area, it's going to give you a good 2-to-1 trade. Okay, so those are the 4 that I'm looking at the moment. The other pairs I'm not really interested in. Aussie dollar, yen at the moment, and euro yen, we're at a major level, and there's just very little structure coming up. Okay, so guys, that's my forex pairs that I'm watching today. If you're still watching, thanks so much. Give us a thumbs up. Really, I'm trying to grow the channel, and every thumbs up helps me grow the channel. So yep, as per usual, if anything changes on the forex setups, I will publish them on the Telegram. So just keep Telegram on, and if I spot something or if I enter the market, I'll let you know. Hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.